How could I use requests in asyncio? I want to do parallel HTTP request tasks in asyncio, but I find that Python requests would block the event loop of asyncio. I've found aiohttp, but it couldn't provide the service of HTTP request using a HTTP proxy. So I want to know if there's a way to do asynchronous HTTP requests with the help of asyncio.
To use requests, or any other blocking libraries, with asyncio, you can use base_run_in_executor to run a function in another thread and yield from it to get the result. For example, this will get both responses in parallel. With Python 3.5 you can use the new await/async syntax. See PEP 0492 for more.
aiohttp can be used with HTTP proxy already.
The answers above are still using the old Python 3.4 style coroutines. Here is what you would write if you got Python 3.5+. aiohttp supports HTTP proxy now. There is also the HTTPX library, which is a drop-in replacement for requests with async/await support.
Requests does not currently support asyncio and there are no plans to provide such support. It's likely that you could implement a custom transport adapter, as discussed here, that knows how to use asyncio. If I find myself with some time, it's something I might actually look into, but I can't promise anything.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.